Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. So today is going to be a few things going on. I am cleaning my kitchen, prepping, and then once I get done with that, I'm going to be moving to the Christmas tree. So right now, first thing I'm doing is emptying out the dishwasher. I didn't use the dishwasher, if you guys don't know. I wash the dishes and I put them in the dishwasher to dry, and then I put everything up. If you want a more detailed information on the kitchen and where things are at, definitely check out my kitchen tour. I'll leave a tag here. That way you guys can come back and click on that to see that. But I'm going to go ahead and clean the kitchen and put everything in its proper place.
And the lights are out and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life is lemons, just remember.
All right, you guys, now that I am done with the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and move to the Christmas tree. I am adding in the remainder of the balls onto the tree, and I'm adding in some ribbons on the tree also just to get it filled up. I'm going to tell you guys now, I'm not 100% happy with the outcome of the tree this year, but it's okay. I have a tree. That's the most important part. Next year, we're going to do something much bigger, much grander, because there's going to be furniture and everything like that. But I will say I do like the color combo thus far. I wanted to add a few more things to the tree, but went shopping last minute. I wasn't able to get everything. So this is what the tree is currently looking like right now. And if you're interested also, I talked about this before. Everything is from Hobby Lobby, the tree, the decor, the ribbons, etc., etc. You guys, here is the tree. It looks really, really good. Let me come up a little closer. So I'm a little closer because I want you guys to be able to see the colors. Next year, I'm going to try to find some more ribbons and some more decor to go on there because I'll have an idea of what the colors are here. Overall, I do like how everything turned out. The tree looks really, really good. I went shopping last minute, so I wasn't able to get everything that I was looking for. So next year, I'll be a little early. I love the fact that the fireplace is on. This is like my new little sitting spot. to just kind of warm up a little bit. It feels really, really nice and toasty here. All right, you guys, so in the middle of recording, the gentleman who's going to be building the unit for my office came in. So I'm going to give you guys just a little look into the office really quickly. All right, you guys. And it kind of, it's darker, yes, but it matches.
It almost matches what you currently have, right?
So it won't be
it's a shade darker, but...
So let me ask you a question. How tall is the unit that's going to go above? Can you tell me where that's going to finish at?
Okay.
All right.
Give me 1 second.
So you guys, this is the new cabinet color. That's why I said I'm going to paint the wall white, because it is darker than this color here. See that? Today I'm actually taking everything off. So once I get done with the tree, I'm going to come into the office and remove all of the decor, because the movers are going to come tomorrow morning to come get the bookcase out of here. But that's the color of the cabinets. I'm going to get the walls repaired, take all this stuff down, and I'm gonna have a custom built-in by the end of January. So I'm really, really excited. You're gonna measure?
Yeah, it's gonna be 82 inches from the floor.
Okay.
So here's what it's gonna look like. Your cabinets, your countertop is probably gonna end right about there.
Okay.
High.
Okay. How much extra would it be for it to go to the ceiling? Oh, you don't have.
I can't go to the ceiling. I can go another 12 inches high because it's 52 or 64 of the bookshelf heights. So if I go, let's see, 82 and then another 12 inches would be 94. So it would go right about there.
So I don't know, like I don't want to say this is the last look into my office, but technically this is going to be the last look into the office looking like this. The next time you guys probably will see my office, it'll be a custom built-in in here. So I'm excited.
So I do have a quick question for you.
Yeah.
So they're only going to come out 24 inches from the side here, plus the 3, so they're probably going to be 27 inches. So this is where the bookshelf is going to end.
What do you mean?
From the wall.
Hold on. You guys, he just left. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm like this much sad. So, this is one of the reasons why I say text communication sucks. I absolutely hate texting. Don't like it. Things get misconstrued. You be on this page, I be on that page. It's just, I don't like it. He texted me and said he reworked the design with a 52-inch bookcase. So when you say 52-inch bookcase, I'm thinking 52 inches wide. But apparently he meant 52 high. What? I'm gonna do an overlay right here so you guys can see what he texted me. All right, so the first design that he sent me was this design, and to be honest with you, I felt like it was too messy. I felt like there was way too much going on, so I said absolutely not. Then he sent me the second design, which I really do love. So the 2 drawers on the end are the file cabinets, which in all honesty, I only need 2, but just overall for aesthetics and just a design look, I went on ahead and did on both ends. And then as you can see, there's gonna be 4 sets of door cabinets that's going to be on there, which is good. And so the last 2 on either end, left and right, I want those to be pull outs. The reason why I want those to be pull out is I could do like my camera equipment, my lens, my tripod, you know, all of my YouTube things in that one. And in the other one, I can bring in all of like my Rolodex of colors, fabrics, like loose fabrics, drapery panel, things like all of those things can go in the other one. And then the ones that sit right behind me, I can always get some sort of bins and totes to kind of put things in there. That way it can be organized. I pray that it does not come back to be like a whole lot, because I will put it on pause and just wait till next year, because I just did the garage. In the garage, totaling out was like about $1,000, which I think it was worth it, because if I had purchased what I was looking at, I would have spent like $500, and it still wasn't even going to be suffice for what I needed for. So right now, this looks really, really nice and finished. And then I'm gonna, you know, get it painted and everything like that, and then change the light fixture. But y'all, I'm not finna lie to y'all. I am going to cut the camera off. I'm gonna go work on my wig, and I'm just gonna call it a day. I'm gonna watch a little bit of TV until this price comes back. Gosh, I don't wanna do anything. I don't wanna do anything. I'm not like super sad, but I'm like, dang man, I thought we were on the same page, sir. Again, this is another reason why I say I hate texting. But I know he was really busy and he had meetings and stuff, so as I was calling him, like, he couldn't answer the phone. But on everything I love, I wish we would have spoken on the phone, because I don't think there would have been this much miscommunication. All right, so you guys, I'm just coming back from my PO box and I'm really excited. I don't know exactly how this goes. Is it like this? I think so. Maybe so. Let me, huh?
I already see the things about to happen. It looks alright. I can already tell.
You already see what's gonna happen?
Uh-huh.
So I haven't all the way jumped on board to the whole like Amazon trend of like constantly going on Amazon to buy things. But there has been a couple of little finds and gems that I have gotten off of Amazon that I'm happy about. So I think I told you guys a few weeks ago that I'm tweaking some things in my main closet, and I'm also rearranging some things in the closets that's going in the master also. So Googling online, I came across At Home with Nikki's channel, and I saw a closet, and she had this for her husband's belt, and I was like, oh my God, this is it. I hate my belts just being rolled in my closet. So the fact that now I get to put them on this clear acrylic little belt situation is so freaking cute. I'm going to leave it linked down below. So to anchor the belt, it goes inside of that little hole, and you guys, this is so cute. So I did purchase two. I believe it comes in a set of 4. Yeah, and I just purchased 2 sets. So I'm really excited. The next thing that I'm gonna be looking for is something to house my sunglasses. And I really hate that I threw away these like acrylic trays that I had. For some particular reason, I figured since I gifted the IKEA pieces that I didn't need it anymore. So I ended up giving it to someone. And if I really thought about it, I really shouldn't have. I know a few of you guys mentioned that, I know a few of you guys mentioned that the Voss water was just pretty, whatever. You're 100% correct. It's just a pretty bottle, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I just like it just because of that particular reason. So, it is what it is. I don't really buy juices, but Kevin says I don't have any juice, honey, so. Something else that I've been buying is Bolthouse Farms, the breakfast smoothies. This one here is a strawberry parfait, berry boost. The next one is green goodness. So, I got those because I'm not really one to eat in the morning when I wake up. I like to eat later on once my body like fully awakes. And this one is the Sea Boost. It has mango, pear, and apple. So I'll just have one of these in the mornings. Oh, and I have coconut water, which is so good, you guys. So good. Let me just say this, like, I don't consider myself to be any sort of like, you know, vegan or anything like that, but I do look up vegan recipes and I will make it. I do look up healthy alternatives and I will make it. And then I think with anything, it really comes down to having it in moderation. That's just me. It's my personal opinion. So that's what I really strive for, is just having things in moderation. All right, you guys, these are the last things that I'm gonna share with you. This right here is my guilty pleasure when it comes to snacking, which is the Tate's Bake Shop. These cookies are absolutely amazing, okay? This one here is the coconut crisp cookies. It says crispy, thin, scrumptious. So let me just tell y'all, there's these cookies that have like coconut on top of it with the caramel drizzle. I do not like that just because it's just like too much coconut to chew on. But this is really, really good. It tastes as though it's been made with like coconut oil, then infused with coconut, and then maybe they did like a very, very light shredding of coconut in it. So when you chew it, I feel like I could taste some of the coconut, but it's not to the point where I'm like really chewing on coconuts or whatever. Super, super good. If you've never tried it, then I would highly recommend trying it because it's so good. The next one is the walnut chocolate chip cookies. Oh, before I mention, if you've never had it, they're not soft. They're really, really thin and crunchy, but like really good. So I really, really do love this. Also, it tastes really, really good. Again, it has the walnuts and the chocolate is just right because I'm not really a big fan of chocolate, so I don't like big chunks of chocolate. So this is actually really good. It's not too much to where I can't stand it, but I also cannot eat like more than 4 in a row just because I'm not really a big fan of chocolate. But you guys, the walnut, game changer for sure. And then the next one is the butter crunch cookie. This is like, I would say the coconut because I just found this, but before the coconut, I was purchasing this one here, and it's so good, you guys. It's so, so good. But anyway, Tate is definitely my guilty pleasure. It's gonna take a long time to finish this unless the kids sneak while I'm sleeping to get my cookies. If they don't do that, this should last me quite a bit. And what I do love about these is they come in 2 separately, individually wrapped bags. If you've never seen it, see? So if you start eating this one, all the cookies don't get all like staley and stuff like that. So amazing. If you haven't tried it. But I'm gonna go ahead and situate the waters and stuff like that. I also picked up some Ollie, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. It has elderberry, zinc, vitamin C. It was hard to find this back in January, February when COVID first started. So this is something else to think about also, but you guys have a really good one. I'll see y'all later. Hey you guys, I had to come back to tell you the good news. So the guy called back and he gave me the quote. And you guys, God must have had his hand all over this because it was only $70. He specifically said, don't ask any questions, don't ask how. And guess what? I didn't ask. I just said, thank you so very much. Go ahead and grab the payment. So I am really, really happy. The bookcase is going to be pulled out. Everything is going to be moved. The wall is going to be repaired. I have to move one of the outlets because the old unit was 18.5 inches deep. The new unit coming in is going to be 21. So I got to do a few repairs and stuff, but I did not want to leave you guys hanging like that. I wanted to come back and let you know. So everything is a go and I am really, really excited. I hope you guys have an amazing day and I'll see you in a couple days. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys back. I'm getting a new office. Oh my gosh.